Hi guys, we are going to start our chapter number 4 for biology IGCSE today. Our chapter topic is biological molecules. Okay. Origin of life on earth. Let's start with key theories of life's beginning. Fundamental mystery: how did non-living substances form life? Potential origins: molecular formation from simple substances 4 billion years ago. Chemical interactions in the earth, seas and atmosphere. Energy sources: volcanic eruptions and lightning strikes. Possible extraterrestrial contribution via meteoroids. Extraterrestrial hypothesis is meteoroid evidence contain amino acid, protein building blocks, potential delivery of life initiating molecules from space. Some research implications are understanding Earth's life origin and exploring potential life in the universe. Let's start with DNA structure and significance. DNA basics. Its full name is deoxyribonucleic acid. Please memorize it, it's very important. Where is the location? Cell nucleus, except in red blood cells. Inheritance: passed from parents. Okay. Molecular composition: nucleotides, smaller molecules forming DNA. What are the base types? A, C, G and T. Structure: double helix and 2 nucleotide chains. Learn and memorize also by the time you are studying. What are the complementary base pairing? A always bonds with T and C always bonds with G. Genetic functionality: carries genetic code, instructs amino acid sequences for protein production. It determines organisms' body structure and metabolic reactions. Experimental skills for biological molecule detection. Here you have to learn about protein testing, Burette test. Materials needed: test tubes, dilute solution, food samples. Procedure: cut food into small pieces, add the Burette solution, observe the color change, blue to violet. Vitamin C testing. Material: DCPIP solution. This is a blue color dye. Various food samples and then you need the dropper pipette. Method: add this blue dye DCPIP to test sample, observe color loss. It indicates vitamin C presence. Key molecular elements. Elemental composition: number 1, carbon, found in glucose, organic molecules. Hydrogen, component of many biological molecules. Oxygen, present in carbohydrates. Next we have molecular classification. Element: single type of atom, compound, multiple atoms, chemically combined. Mixture: multiple substances combined physically. Okay, so keep the differences in your mind very clearly about element, compound and mixture. Some reflection points. Origin of life consideration: why life likely cannot arise from non-living things today. Potential precautions for human Mars exploration. Biological molecules. Composition and testing. Human body composition, keep it in your mind, important for the exams. Water composition: 62% of total body mass. Protein 16%, fat 16%, carbohydrate 1%, other elements such as calcium, phosphorus 6% and then DNA less than 1%. Carbohydrate fundamentals. Basic characteristics. Carbohydrate is an important part, guys. Keep in your mind what carbohydrates are and what are their compositions. Composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Molecular ratio: 2 hydrogen atoms per carbon oxygen atom. Types: starch, cellulose, sugars. Glucose, the primary sugar. What is the molecular formula? C6H12O6. It is hexagonal molecular structure, crucial for energy transport in body. Dissolve in blood plasma, delivers to cell for energy production. Carbohydrate storage mechanism. In animals, it is in the form of glycogen, stored in living liver cells, created when blood glucose is high, to glucose when needed. In plants, it is in the form of starch, stored in plant cells, made by linking glucose molecules, coils with spiral shape. Cellulose forms straight line glucose chain used in plant cell wall construction. Molecular testing techniques, guys. Starch detection, important. Test, it is iodine solution test. Remember, for starch detection we use a test, iodine solution test. The positive results: brown to blue black color change. Sugar detection test, Benedict's solution test. Positive result: blue to orange red color when heated. Specifically detects reducing sugar like glucose. Learn and memorize, please. Molecular composition test. Testing protocols, substance test, reagents and positive indication. First is protein. The test you are going to do is Biuret reagent test, and the purple color change will be an indication. Second is fats, oils. Test reagent ethanol emulsion, and positive indication milky white appearance. Number third, vitamin C, the blue color dye DCPIP, and the positive indication color loss. Fourth is starch, iodine solution, blue black color. Specific test details. For protein test, you need to add reagent to the sample. Look for color change from purple to blue, indicates protein presence. Next is fat test, ethanol. Create emulsion, check for milky white appearance, and it will indicate fat content. Next, vitamin C test, DCPIP. The full form is dichlorophenolindophenols. It's a blue dye. Add juice to DCPIP. Major color loss intensity. Less juice needed to decolorize, which means more vitamin C. DNA composition. Base pairing rules are adenine A pairs with thymine T. Cytosine C pairs with guanine G. Genetic instruction carrier comprises less than 1% of body mass. Biochemical testing of food component, testing of starch, methodology, preparation. Creates a result chart with the column for food sample, observation, conclusion. The procedure of test will be: place a small food piece on white tile, add iodine solution, and then you observe the color change. If it's brown, no starch present, and if it turns into dark blue or black, it means starch is present. Testing for reducing sugar. For experimental technique, you will be needing boiling tube, Benedict solution, water bath or heater beaker. Steps: cut food into small pieces, add water, shake it, add Benedict solution, heat the water, observe color change blue, no reducing color. If it is red, reducing sugar present. Learn, guys, all these tests and all these theories are very important for you and will help you answer the examination questions. Next is fats and oils, lipids. Molecular composition definition: fat solid at room temperature, oil liquid at room temperature. Chemical composition elements: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, less oxygen compared to carbohydrates. Molecular structure composed of glycerol molecule, fatty acid molecule. Biological functions: energy storage, cell membrane formation, heat insulation, especially in mammals. Detection method, ethanol emulsion test. Procedure, shake food with ethanol, pour ethanol into water. Observe for milky appearance, and then positive result, tiny fat droplets create milky emulsion. Learn it, very important. Experimental results, which solutions you are using, which testing material, what is the method, very important. Next we have proteins. Molecular characteristics. Elemental composition includes carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes sulfur. Structural composition, long chain of amino acids, 20 different amino acid types, precise molecular arrangement. Biological roles, enzymes production, it helps in antibody formation, oxygen transport, hemoglobin, cell membrane structure, structural components, keratin in hairs and nails. Detection method, dilute solution, reaction blue, violet when protein is present. Alright, so with this we finished our revision of chapter number 4. See you guys in our next chapter, chapter number 5. Once we finish all of our chapters, then we will start doing the past paper questions from the relevant chapter along with a revision of the whole chapter. See you then, bye.